Hey, welcome back to your quadratic analysis AI channel this evening. Tonight we did a little forecasting. We're comparing the forecast, the 20-day forecast for the adjusted closing price to the actual adjusted closing price. So in other words, we tried to forecast the adjusted closing price for the next 28 days, and we're comparing that to the actual historic data. Okay. So let's just do a little more. Okay, so we did three different models. We did a basic naive model, which is sort of like a benchmark test. And the rule of thumb is that if your more advanced model is a lot more accurate than the naive model, then you need to adjust your advanced model. Okay, so let's take a look at the naive model first. You can see the predictive value here, but then you can see these two values here. This is confidence interval. So you can see that the actual adjusted price is within, well, it's on the borderline between a 75% confidence interval and a 95% confidence interval. So that's not too bad for a really basic type of adjustment. What about now? What's interesting is the ETS, the actual adjusted price, is outside the predicted price. Well, that's kind of interesting. Finally, this is probably the most interesting of all. This is the basic ARIMA model, and it's using the parameters of 1, 1, 1, and you can see there's a lot of time when it's either inside the 75% interval or certainly inside of the 90% interval. So I would say that for our purposes, for the adjusted price anyway, maybe the ARIMA is the best model to work with. But you can see we're still within the confidence interval here. Okay.